Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You have little bit of faith or you have no faith? You believe, say, God will give you anything where you ask him for? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 21 from verse 18 to verse 22. Now, early in the morning, when Jesus go back at the town, him did hungry. So he see one fig tree at the roadside and go cross which part it there. But he nay see nothing at all upon it. Just so leaf. Jesus said to the tree, say, you now go ever bear fruit again. And same time the fig tree dry up. When him follower them see what him do, them eye open up wide. Them say, oh, the fig tree dry up so fast. Jesus answer back, me tell you this, and a true me attack. If you just trust in a God little, and no if I'm but a wonder, you not go just do what me do to the fig tree there. But all if you say to the mountain, get up, go fling yourself in the sea, it will happen. And anything where you pray and ask God for, if you believe, say him go no, you will get it. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.